Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find how much money you've earned from TikTok, mostly from TikTok coins that you get from live streams. I'm not really sure how you can find how many you have, because I'm not a big creator on TikTok, but I do go live, and you are just going to select your profile button here on the bottom right corner. Select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen and select settings and privacy. Then you are going to select balance, and you are going to select gift revenue, and here's where you can find how much money you've already gotten from TikTok. That it isn't much, but as you can see, this is how much I got from live gifts and stuff. But that is basically it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!